Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to run Llama models in your web browser using Picovoice's picoLLM. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Picovoice console and grab your access key. You're then going to want to click picoLLM and download your model file, either Llama 2 or Llama 3, doesn't matter, I already have mine downloaded, and make sure it's in a place that you can access easily. You're going to want to also make sure that you have NodeJS downloaded. Next, you're going to want to create a Llama app. You can do this by making a directory, CDing to it, and also make sure you have npm installed. You're going to want to install some server packages using this following code. And then create an HTML file that I have done so and copy and paste this code into it. A link to the code in our GitHub will be found in the description down below. All right, let's run. Choose a file. And then click run. And as you might have seen in our code before, the prompt is what is the capital of Canada, and your response is Ottawa. Thank you for listening, and visit Picovoice AI for more tutorials.